Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at two folding tables by Fanttik, the Zeta X4 Pro and the Zeta S4 Pro. So let's take a look. Okay, we're gonna look at the Zeta X4 Pro first. This is a 4-foot folding table and it comes in three colors, white, gray, and black. This color is the gray option. So you can see it folds nicely here. You have a nice carrying handle. So unfolding the table, you can see here that there's these yellow buttons. So this middle one will lock it into place. And then opening up the legs here, you can see that there's also some yellow buttons here, 4 of them. And if you press them, that will allow the legs to fold. There's 4 heights, 4 height adjustment levels. So you can just hold this down here and you can adjust it accordingly for each side. You can see the honeycomb pattern on the back. This is made of high density polyethylene plastic. So I'll go ahead and flip it over. So now I have the table unfolded. And as mentioned, there's 4 adjustment levels, 22 inches, 24 inches, 29, and 34. So you have this button on the side here to adjust it. So you just press it and then lift like so. And I'll put it all the way to the 34 inches. And then you'll hear it click. So same thing on the other side. Then you hear it click. So now this is the 34-inch level, and the top has a max load of up to 300 pounds. So I'll go ahead and lower it again. So you can see very easy. So now back down to 22 inches. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, so taking some measurements, again, the top is about 4 feet, and you can see here it's about 48 inches. And the width, you're looking at 24 inches. So I'll go ahead and fold it back so you can see how easy it is. So you want to start with the legs here. There's 4 buttons, so I'll just press it like so. Push the legs down. Make sure the legs are all the way up. And then in the middle, once you have it in the unfolded position, you just want to pull this up and then that will lock it into place. So to unfold it, just make sure it's pushed. And just fold like so. Now you're ready to transport it or store it. Okay, now we're gonna look at the Zeta S4 Pro. This is a square table. So you can see you have a nice carrying handle here, the Fanttik branding on both sides, and unfolding it. Basically, you just have to open like so. And then you can see here this yellow button that will pop up to lock it into place. And then when you want to fold it and unlock it, you just press it. So looking at the legs, just want to bring it up like so. And you do have these yellow buttons here. So that's to unfold it. And then when it locks, just make sure that the yellow button clicks into place. Other side, same thing. You hear it click. And then you have the buttons here. There's two levels for the height adjustment. So you just want to press the button. So this is on the lowest and the highest. So right now, all the legs are on the highest level. Go flip it over. And this comes in 2 colors, white and gray. And this is the white version. So just like the X4, this is made of high density polyethylene plastic. It has a 300-pound weight capacity. And then two heights, 24 inches and 29. So right now it's on the 29 inches, and basically to lower it, you have these buttons here. So just press the buttons and then wait till they click into place. There you go. Okay, so now this is on the lowest setting. Taking some measurements. See here, it comes in at 34 inches by 34 inches. So folding it, I'll just go ahead and flip it over. Again, very simple. You have the yellow buttons here for the legs, so just press like so. And to fold the table, press this button. You have to press that button in. So let me get here. And let's see. And you're all good to go. Ready to transport or to store. All right, so that's a look at the Zeta S4 Pro and the Zeta X4 Pro folding tables. Very versatile, easy to fold and unfold, and can be used for multiple things. If you're going camping, in the outdoors, in your garage, indoors for parties. Just a very versatile set of tables. So if you're looking for some folding tables, I put the link in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.